Advanced engine oil for modern passenger cars. Engine technology has evolved over the years to maximize power, increase fuel efficiency, and enhance durability. Designed to deliver high output without increasing displacement, gasoline direct injection and turbocharged gasoline direct injection engines are popular in today's vehicles. However, these downsized engines are susceptible to an abnormal combustion phenomenon called low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI. Over time, repeated occurrence of LSPI can cause severe damage to the piston, connecting rod, and other key components. The problem of LSPI can be prevented by using appropriate engine oils. This would preserve the performance of key components and extend engine lifespan. Another characteristic of modern engines is the reduced use of timing belts, which can easily degrade over time. Instead, the timing of components in modern engines is usually done by timing chains, as they provide a much higher level of durability. But without proper care, the timing chain can be prone to wear and excessive elongation. And when a timing chain wears out, it loses tension. In the worst-case scenario, failing or damaged timing chains can cause the valves and piston head to collide. Lubrication by suitable engine oils can help the timing chain last longer, while optimizing engine performance. To address the technical issues faced by modern engines, the American Petroleum Institute recently issued its latest standard, the API SP, ensuring that licensed engine oils can provide LSPI prevention as well as enhanced timing chain protection. Introducing Kixx G1 SP. Formulated to optimize the performance of modern engines, Kixx G1 SP achieves the standard of API SP. The engine oil satisfies and is fully compatible with previous specifications. In addition, Kixx G1 SP meets all 7 requirements in API's testing procedure, designed to ensure superior performance and excellence. Available in multiple viscosity grades, Kixx's latest lubricant extends engine life, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures stable performance in all conditions. Realize the full potential of your engine and experience the best. Kixx. Awaken excellence.